In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let me show you how to remove application on the following device. So at first, just locate the app that you would like to remove, and for example, if it's Firefox, just hold your home screen for a while, just like this, and now you'll be able to control your apps. To remove, for example, Firefox, just tap on minus icon and confirm that you would like to delete this app. Confirm it again, and that's it. So you've just removed this app with all its data. Then tap on your home screen again to go back to the standard usage of your phone. You can also do it a bit differently. So just, for example, now if you would like to remove Chrome, just pick Chrome and hold it for a while, and then select remove app. And here, tap on delete app, confirm that you would like to remove it with all its data, and as you can see, it disappeared. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.